Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Look at my sweet potato plant, guys. I told y'all I was gonna make these my house plants for the fall. It's grown so much. Look at all this foliage. That's looking very tasty to me. I told y'all, don't play with me. I'm eating these sweet potato leaves. They are so tasty. What do they taste like? Spinach. No, a little bit better than spinach. We're gonna go ahead and cut the vines off, and we're gonna get most of this off. We're gonna leave some of it behind because we need some leaves left on the plant so that it can continue to pull in the energy from the sun and produce more tasty leaves. Okay, now that we've gotten the vines off, we're just gonna go in just like I showed you when I did the egg omelet. We're gonna go in and take the leaves and the stem off, because yes, you can eat the leaves and the stem. Don't eat the vine, but the leaves and the stem are completely edible. Now we'll do that and we'll reuse the stems. All I do is put that in water, let it root again in water, and then plant that in dirt and keep the cycle going. This is a plant that keeps giving. Don't give up on sweet potato plants just because you don't think you're going to get some potatoes. I'm not looking for potatoes at this point. I'm looking for the leaves. Sweet potato leaves are nutritious. You can add them to soups. You can add them to salads. You can even stir fry them with some garlic and onions. You can even put them in your smoothie. Harvest the stems and leaves while they're small and tender. You don't want to eat no bulky, tough leaves. You can give those to the chickens and the cows if you got them. Now these vines, I'm going to cut these at the node where the stem were, but I'm going to cut them long enough so that I can put them in my vase of water and set them off to the side to grow. Look at them nice tender green leaves. Why would you throw that away or feed it to the chickens and the cows? That's going to be composted right in my stomach. Here we go. Washed up, nice, and ready to go for my side salad. I'm going to add my tomato and my onion, and my avocado. Most of you have these ingredients right in your kitchen garden. All right, now let's put this together. When I finish putting this together, I'm going to show y'all how pretty them greens look. I'm adding my egg rolls from the air fryer, vegetable egg rolls, and this is going to be my lunch for the day. 2 egg rolls and a side salad. Can't beat that. See, guys? Look how beautiful that is. For little or nothing. There goes my affordable lunch. What you guys cooking?